So, ready to go on a shopping spree? Check out the Nandimam Market. Running since the 60s, it's home to over 10,000 vendors who sell everything from clothing, trinkets, snacks like shrimp-flavored corn puffs in your box. And a bunch of other places. We have chocolate corns. That's good. Thumbs up.
Yeah, that one's good.
Peach-flavored gummies. Artificial flavors. Smells super peachy. It's like,
Oh, it's good. Kind of weird, but good.
next up, we have shrimp chip.
I'm actually thinking I might not like this one. How's it smell?
Kind of fishy.
You try it first.
Yeah, it does taste like shrimp.
I'm not gonna try it.
Next, we have sweet and sour chewy strawberry.
Okay.
I think she wants the shrimp chip.
Her nose is going crazy. Trixie.
Yeah, she wants the shrimp chip.
Trixie.
Oh my god. Okay, so sweet and sour chewy strawberry.
It's really hard. It's good.
Warning, this product can expose you to acrylamide, a chemical known in the state of California to cause cancer. Okay, so this is Italian-style cream cheese and ultra-rich cream, mascarpone cream, like a cookie.
Okay.
Oh, another individual item. This gives you cancer. It smells super good.
Yeah, it's good. It tastes like a cookie.
That's good. Buy green tea. Kind of like a moon pie. Should have cut that probably. Whoops.
It's okay. I don't really like moon pies, so it's not like gross, but it's just okay.
Yeah, it's okay.